What's up, YouTube? We're back again with another walk around video. Today we're going to be checking out this 1986 Toyota pickup. It has the 22R carbureted engine with a 4-speed transmission. If there's anything I forgot to cover, or if there's any more info you would like on these vehicles, make sure to contact the owner. I will leave the info for his Instagram at the end of the video. So we're going to start up here in the front. It has the 4x4 lower valence. It also has these Comet 550 hella fog lights. And it has a Land Cruiser Toyota badge. It's just bigger than the original. Stands out a little more. Has the Guatemala badge right here on the left side. It also has some clear turn signals because these are usually amber. And up here on the fenders, it has some eBay mirrors. It has some aftermarket fender trims, which are a little wider than the original ones that some of these trucks had. And these are usually chrome, but they were painted red to match the truck. It's sitting on some US wheels, 15x7s, and they're wrapped in needles. 205/50 15s. It has some aftermarket Etsy mud flaps with the Toyota vinyl logo on them. And up here on the door, since he did the mirror delete, the owner made some wood trims to cover the holes. And this hole right here is just used for like flowers or any display when it's at a car show. It also has these ABS wind guards. And up here on the roof, it has the Yakima roof rack. It has a added little trim down here where the pinch wheel goes. So usually the pinch wheel for the cab ends right here, and this one was made out of aluminum, so it goes all the way to the back. And this truck is sitting on the Beltec drop kit. 2-inch drop spindles up in the front, and it has lowering blocks in the rear, 3-inch lowering blocks. The front was also lowered a little bit more with the torsion bars. It has the cool old school Japanese tailgate with the handles right here. Pickup seat though. Now let's go to the interior. So these are the original door cards. They were repainted to match the reupholstered seat. Has a custom made, handmade wooden armrest. Then it got a little touch of black, like the window crank, and this. The seat was reupholstered with like a peanut butter leather color and the black piping. New black carpet. It has some husky floor mats. These fit pretty good in here. OMP pedal covers. This is the switch for the fog lights. Wood shift knob, handmade by the owner. And these sun visors, it has a little pocket for some pictures. All these wood pieces were handmade by the owner with mahogany wood. It even has a little dash inlay right here, made from wood. Go to the passenger side to show you guys the other side. So over here we have the same little wood cover for the mirror delete. Wood armrest and all that. It has the Continental old school style head unit with 4-inch kicker speakers. It has this universal little rubber cubby hole right here in the middle. Just lays over the carpet. And it has this custom ashtray delete cup holder. The quartz clock was added to this truck because it didn't come with that, but it did come with the factory AC. And it has this custom phone holder. It's just a magnet, goes to the factory screw under the dash. Just clips the phone right there. Looks pretty cool. One thing I forgot to mention, for these wheels, he made the custom center caps. That's Toyota stamped right in the middle, 22R, 1986. Little details all around. Vides. Looks pretty cool. That's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here in the corner so you guys could check him out, and make sure to follow us on Instagram at YONKE_OXC films. Stay tuned, we'll be having more walkarounds for you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.